Imagine waking up one morning, and the very legs that carried you through decades suddenly feel weak, shaky, and unsteady, as if the strength has been quietly disappearing without you even noticing. For many seniors over 60, this is not just a thought, it's reality. The main culprit is sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass that hits the legs hardest. But here's the good news: you can fight back. Your legs, the pillars of your independence and mobility, can regain strength with the right foods. Today, we'll uncover the top 8 foods seniors over 60 must eat to strengthen weak legs, rebuild muscle, and stay active and independent. The foods not only prevent muscle loss after 60, but actually help rebuild strength, protect independence, and give you the power to keep living life on your terms. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful, practical eating strategy to stop muscle decline and feel strong again. So, if you're ready to feel strong and confident in your body again, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to thrive in your best years. The first food that is absolutely critical is eggs. Now, you might look at something as simple as an egg and think, can this really make a difference at my age? But here's the truth: eggs are one of nature's most complete protein sources, containing all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your muscles need. Think of amino acids as the bricks your leg muscles are made of. Without enough, the structure weakens. For seniors, this is crucial because as we age, the body becomes less efficient at using protein. That means we need not just more protein, but better quality protein, and eggs deliver exactly that. Eggs also provide vitamin B12, which supports energy production for muscles, and vitamin D if fortified, which is crucial for strong legs and bones. Eating 1 or 2 eggs a day is like giving your legs a daily repair kit, helping your thigh, calf, and glute muscles stay firm and responsive, thereby preserve strength and mobility. Moving from land to sea, fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are powerhouse foods for seniors. They are rich in high-quality protein, but what makes them stand out is their omega-3 fatty acids. Picture omega-3s as oil for rusty hinges. They help reduce inflammation in your muscles and joints, making movement smoother and less painful. In fact, research shows omega-3s can actually enhance muscle protein synthesis, the very process that builds new muscle. So, when paired with exercise, fatty fish act like a double-edged sword. They protect you from muscle breakdown and accelerate muscle rebuilding. Additionally, they are loaded with vitamin D, which strengthens bones and reduces the risk of falls. Including fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week is like sending in reinforcements to rebuild your body's defenses against sarcopenia. Next, let's shine a light on dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. At first glance, these might seem like humble everyday items, but their nutritional profile makes them an essential ally for seniors. Dairy foods combine 2 critical nutrients, protein and calcium. Protein builds muscle, while calcium fortifies bones, creating a strong partnership that keeps your body upright and resilient. Greek yogurt in particular is a standout because it's higher in protein than regular yogurt, and when paired with fruit or nuts, it becomes a muscle-strengthening snack that is both delicious and effective. Another food that deserves a spotlight is lean poultry, such as chicken or turkey. Poultry provides a lean source of protein without excessive saturated fat, making it a heart-friendly choice as well. The amino acid leucine, found abundantly in poultry, acts like a key that unlocks muscle growth. To use a metaphor, think of leucine as the spark plug in an engine. It's what gets the process of muscle protein synthesis going. Without it, your body can't effectively turn dietary protein into muscle tissue. For seniors aiming to prevent or reverse muscle loss, incorporating lean poultry several times a week is like keeping your body's engine running smoothly. Beans and lentils might seem like humble pantry staples, but they are nutrient-dense, low-cost powerhouses for fighting muscle loss. For seniors on a budget, they are one of the most accessible sources of plant-based protein. They deliver protein for leg muscle repair. What's remarkable about beans and lentils is that they also provide fiber, iron, and magnesium. Fiber keeps digestion healthy, iron ensures oxygen is delivered to working muscles, and magnesium supports muscle contractions, preventing cramps in the legs. Eating beans and lentils is like investing in a full maintenance package for your leg muscles: fuel, oxygen, and coordination all in one. They might not be flashy, but when combined with grains like rice or bread, they provide complete proteins that can stand shoulder to shoulder with meat in supporting muscle health. Let's not overlook nuts and seeds, especially almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. While they don't provide as much protein per serving as meat or dairy, they bring something equally valuable to the table: healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. Vitamin E, in particular, acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscle cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which increases with age. Think of it as armor for your muscles, shielding them from wear and tear. Meanwhile, magnesium ensures your muscles can contract and relax properly, preventing cramps and weakness. A small handful of nuts each day can be thought of as a shield and repair kit rolled into one, helping your muscles stay resilient against the wear of time. A small handful of nuts each day can be thought of as a shield and repair kit rolled into one, helping your muscles stay resilient against the wear of time. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice might not sound like muscle-building foods, but they play a critical supporting role. They provide complex carbohydrates, which act as fuel for your muscles. Without enough energy, your body starts breaking down muscle for fuel, which is exactly what we want to avoid. Whole grains also contain B vitamins, which help convert food into energy, and minerals like iron and magnesium. Whole grains provide the consistent energy your muscles need to thrive, acting like a steady supply of electricity. For seniors, this reliable fuel source ensures your legs have the power to not just survive, but perform optimally during daily activities and exercise. Without them, even the strongest muscles can't function effectively. And finally, let's talk about fruits and vegetables, particularly leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are crucial for leg health. While they aren't protein-rich, they provide essential micronutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and antioxidants. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which strengthens connective tissue around muscles. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions. Meanwhile, antioxidants reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which accelerate muscle loss. Magnesium prevents leg cramps and stiffness, keeping your legs mobile and pain-free. Pair these greens with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado to maximize nutrient absorption and strengthen your legs even faster. Eating a colorful variety of vegetables and fruits is like painting your muscles with a protective coat, ensuring they stay strong, flexible, and less prone to injury. Now here's the key takeaway. It's not about one magical food, it's about combining these nutrient-rich sources into a daily eating pattern that supports muscle repair, energy production, and long-term strength. Eggs for high-quality protein, fatty fish for omega-3s, dairy for protein and calcium, poultry for leucine, beans for affordability and balance, nuts for antioxidants, grains for fuel, and vegetables for micronutrients. All of these foods work together like the instruments of an orchestra of nutrients that protect, repair, and strengthen leg muscles. Alone, they're good, but together, they create harmony that keeps your muscles and body thriving well past 60. Coupled with simple exercises like walking, squats, and climbing stairs, plus proper hydration and sleep, seniors can stop muscle loss, regain leg strength, and maintain independence well into their 70s and 80s. If you want more tips like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. So now you know the foods that can stop muscle loss in its tracks and help rebuild your strength after 60. But here's the truth. What you eat before bed can actually make or break how your muscles recover overnight. In our next video, I'll reveal the surprising foods seniors should eat before bedtime to accelerate recovery and wake up stronger. Don't miss it. Your muscles will thank you in the morning.